enjoy your sleepover?
Yes.
What time you woke up? You woke up early?
Yes.
You don't have school today. Why did you wake up early?
Little bit early.
Hi peeps, good morning. Okay, I am actually late today because I woke up late because you didn't have school today, right? So it's a chillax day, but I have to take classes. So I'm already late. Just that the student has not joined, and so I can take 2 minutes more, but I need to rush. So let's start the vlog. Hello everyone, welcome back to the ice cream challenge. So what flavor is yours?
Mine is Belgian chocolate.
And mine is strawberry. So we have 30 seconds. Okay, so within 30 seconds, what are you doing?
I'm just keeping the spoon
You
there.
can't give it, that's also cheating. Give it down there on this. Okay, so how many seconds? 30 seconds. So in 30 seconds we have to eat as no cheating. Okay? No.
Don't cheat.
Excuse me.
You are the cheat.
I'm with you since your birth. I know you very well. Okay? So let's start with the challenge. What are you doing? Okay. So in 30 seconds we have to eat as much as possible, and who eats the most will be the winner. Now who decides on that? You wish. That's not possible. Okay, so we will compare and decide the winner. But even the viewers will comment in the comment section who's the winner. So I know it's me already. Okay, you can start the stopwatch. 30 seconds.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Are you ready? Tell me, are you ready?
Yes.
Did you start it?
No. Ready?
3, 1, no. 3, 2, don't do cheating.
Melt in marriage.
Melt okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. About pause, yeah. Amma. Just because you've eaten sapura like
I
that.
am the winner.
What rubbish.
You the winner. She is the
No,
loser.
I have eaten. You have. What rubbish is this?
I'm the winner, guys.
Even if she's a winner, she cheated, so she's a loser.
Give me my prize.
1 spoon. That was a melted part of it for you.
Nice, but
Nice, no? Nice.
so I'm the winner. So what is my gift?
Okay, I have a gift for you.
No.
So viewers, this is a special gift for my beloved sister for winning
This is
the ice cream for losing.
spoiled banana.
I didn't ask you any gift. Did I ask you?
Only for you.
I didn't ask only.
But I'm giving you.
You first take your winning gift. It's going to prick you.
I need a gift. This is cheating.
What is cheating? You did cheating.
Free.
After the game also you ate it.
Free may I have to. I'm
not coming to your channel anymore. Good. That was good. Are you sure?
No.
Okay. So we are done with the challenge. Okay, please comment and tell us who won the challenge. Okay?
Obviously, I won.
What do you
mean?
Just because you've eaten the side part
I
of it.
ate with full discipline and in an
True.
organized
What is
manner.
discipline?
I ate one full scoop.
I didn't tell that you will win.
You have
if you-
eaten one spoon there. No.
What one spoon? It is one whole big chunk I've eaten.
I'm the winner, guys.
I'm the winner. I didn't do, at least I didn't do cheating after the challenge. You ate after the challenge. That is cheating. So I only win logically. That's okay. You can tell that. Thank you.
This is also for you. Wipe the table. Cheater.
Get lost. She's calling me cheater. She cheated and she's calling me cheater.
Teacher.
Yeah, I'm teacher also. I am teacher, but you are cheater. So we also have an audience here. Who do you think has won? UV? Who has won the challenge?
You both.
Eh.
I'll buy McDonald's for you. You eat later.
UV,
UV,
McDonald's is not
McDonald's.
important. Honesty is
You eat
important.
McDonald's.
I will always teach you the best
Okay,
values.
you come. You see who won. Come. I'll show you who won. And then
So
try it.
before it melts, please keep it inside.
Mama.
Huh? Huh?
Who?
Cheater.
So UV had holiday today?
Yes.
What's that?
My dance.
Your dance?
Yes.
How's it? How's it?
You had holiday today.
UV, you have a holiday tomorrow also. Double dance! Lockdown it is, but we haven't stopped having fun on the weekends. Ooh, McDonald's today. And movie time with UV. So it's time to end the vlog. So I had got many requests that I need to make vlogs in Tulu language. Of course, Malpa. But the thing is that I have viewers from. I also have viewers who don't know Tulu. So that is why I do maximum, in English or in Hindi. But I promise you all that vlogs or contents in Tulu language will surely come up soon. Okay, so bye for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Marabosti. Tulu to patera bandar, Tulu to comment, share, like, subscribe malpare manamalla. Maltupudi. Okay. So toodles, please show some love.